Have fun, buddy. We'll be gone for not too long, a couple hours.
Okay.
Here we go. We're about to leave for
The RAD event.
Rad Bike event for autism, benefiting.
Into the spectrum.
See you soon. Oh, almost hit that guy. Oops. He just pulled right in really fast, not even looking.
Really?
It's the blue Subaru WRX, you know? That guy.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
It's really, I think you're dark.
Because of the sun in the background?
Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever. Okay, she thinks I'm getting off at Washington. She's not sure. That's Apple Maps for you. I'm all about those Google Maps. What's up, Google Maps? And what are you about?
Apple Maps.
I used to love Apple until they started to suck and charge you for everything extra and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's my opinion on that. Google, what's up? Send us something. Send us some free storage. Oh wait, your storage already is free. Oh. Okay, I should probably drive now.
Please don't crash. Here we are, downtown Phoenix. They have the March Madness and U of A. Sorry, you guys lost already.
So we made it. Finally got a parking garage. I guess we were super early, but now we're a little late. But because of the Final Four thing and traffic and
Driving around for parking.
And what happened? And she said we should go. She said we should go in the metered parking, and I said we should go in a parking garage. But I guess the parking garage ended up what we did. Hold on, she's leaving. She's leaving, but I just want to see this nice view. That's pretty cool. If it would zoom in on the, there we go. There's there's the flowers that are the worst for allergies.
Kills my allergies.
Me too. You can smell the pollen attacking, right?
Yeah.
Can you smell it?
Oh yeah. I think my nose is already starting to go.
Yeah, well.
So we have
Me
to
too.
look for guys in blue shirts and bikes. I think I see them.
They're all right there in the middle.
Hey,
I agree.
made it.
This is Courtney, everyone.
Hey,
How you doing, everyone?
Hey.
Courtney. It's all good, totally fine. 7:30 is when everybody's supposed to start coming,
Oh, okay.
and then
cool.
8 o'clock is when it starts. Okay. Unless cause you know, you guys know the bike scene. Like, not everybody shows up on time.
Yeah.
You say 8 o'clock, and people will be at like 9:30. Sometimes, depends. So that's why I figured if we did 7:30, and if we got here, then we could kind of like map it out to like see where everything is, and then go to places we need to get to.
Hey, so we just made it here. We're going to interview Bran and ask him about the event today. So let's learn about it. He has a phone call, so we have to wait.
I'll run out, or I'll have someone run out.
Hey guys, so we're here with Bran, and he's going to tell us all about the event today and his new nonprofit called RAD. So let's hear about it. So tell us about the name of it, how you came up with it, and just what you're doing.
So RAD is a company that I basically founded maybe in December. It's kind of an idea.
Super new.
Yeah, so it's kind of an idea that I wanted to do for years, and I thought that I could put the energy of biking into it.
Yeah.
So RAD is Riding for Autism Awareness and Defense.
Okay.
And we just try to spread love and awareness to the autism world by raising money, by doing races and charities. We all know all the money for the charities go towards nonprofits.
That's so cool. That's so cool. So you put in two things that you love to do. So you have the biking and autism. How long have you been in the autism field?
I've been in the autism field since I was 18, so now I am 28, 10 years.
You started young.
Yeah.
I didn't start that young. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. And can you tell us about the event today? Like, what are we doing?
So there are these things called alley cats,
Okay.
and what alley cats are is it's like a big scavenger hunt around the city, and it's like a messenger style kind of race. So messengers in the day would go from point A to point B, just trying to sign packages.
Okay.
And so they turn those into races called alley cats,
Okay.
where you basically do the same thing, but just have little markers like sign off or little hole punches. So I have all these different checkpoints around Phoenix and in Tempe where people can get services for autism. And from there, then they can basically just at least know that this place exists.
Right. So you pick different agencies in
Yes.
the Phoenix and Tempe area.
Yes.
Cool. And we're keeping it secret because we don't want the bikers to know. So we can't name them.
Yes, they're not going to know until like probably half an hour, 45 minutes.
Cool, cool. So do you give them the name of the organization to find, or
Yes.
do they give them clues?
Yes, so it's going to have on the manifest, that's what it's called, is the manifest.
Okay.
And on the manifest, there's going to have the name of the organization and then the cross streets.
Okay.
Or the whereabouts of where to look for it.
Okay.
And then each person who volunteered today is going to be sitting there with a marker and just signing off left and right, whoever comes to the checkpoints.
Cool, cool. And so Phil and I are going to be at the end, the last stop. So we're going to meet and say congratulations to everybody that makes it. So what RAD is doing, they are donating all of the entry fees to Into the Spectrum. So that's so cool, and we're so grateful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. This is actually our, very first donation and event, so it's
Yeah.
super cool.
Super
Yeah,
So
awesome.
we're
We're
so
excited
excited.
today.
So
Thank
thank
you.
you so much for
You're welcome.
picking us.
Yeah.
So it's so cool.
Well, it's good to know where the money's going, and that's
Yeah.
the biggest part with all this stuff is, there's like Autism Speaks and like big
Right,
companies,
huge.
and you see it goes to research or it goes to development, and then which is great. But then it's if I know where the money's going and it's going
Right.
to a small little organization, I
Right.
know that it's going to be used for something great,
Yeah,
and it's going to be
that's
great
cool.
with Autism Speaks. But
Yeah.
it's always going to be, in my opinion, better if you know the people who are running it and you know
Right.
the heart that's being poured into it.
That's so cool.
It's awesome.
No, thank you so much. And if I can ask you one more question, I don't know
Yes.
if you know the answer, or if you have one ready, but how did you get into the field in the first place?
It's kind of funny. So I had an ex-fiance who I worked at a record store, and I lost my job at a record store,
Okay.
and she got this job at this place called Angels and Autism in Tucson. I don't even think they
Okay.
exist anymore.
Yeah.
And she was like, "Hey, like I could get you a job," and I thought, "Well, hey, I'll try it." And I got eaten alive the first day, and then I went home and I was like, "I love this." And 10 years later,
Yeah,
I'm
and
still
what-
doing it.
What made you say I want to keep doing this?
I think it was just being able to see the change in behavior
Yeah.
over time, and just really persisting and looking at kids and being like, I feel the same way, and I don't know. I know that you don't know how to express yourself, and so therefore it isn't any kind of act of, maliciousness or anything. It's just an act of communication,
Right.
and that's so important in our society because even as people who are neurotypical, like we have problems with communicating.
True.
And so I really felt connected to that, and I connect with kids in that way of
Yeah.
just being like, I get it. Like it's
Yeah.
hard to express X, Y, and Z, and you're trying, and you can't. But I can help you.
Yeah. Well, and I was fortunate enough to see you work and see it in action. Like you're awesome, super natural with the kids, and
Thank
just
you.
totally easygoing, and like just the way you communicate with them is just so super awesome and natural. So
I try really hard to make it as
yeah.
be relatable to the kids
Yeah.
as possible, just so they can feel less alone in that
Yeah.
sense, and then maybe one day it breaks through and.
Right. And I think one of my favorite is when he does Circle Time. It's super awesome, and singing Mickey Mouse and stuff. It's super awesome.
I still do that. I'm known for being a ukulele behavior technician.
Awesome.
Cool.
It's
That's
pretty
awesome.
Cool.
Cool.
That's awesome.
Thank you
so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. That
I
was
think that was
really
awesome.
cool.
So they got the pizza, and none of them were cut. So Phil had an X-Acto knife in the backpack.
There we go.
So there we go. It's getting cut. Everybody's waiting
She's
to
getting
eat.
stuck a little bit, but
That's okay.
So many nice blue shirts. All right, Brian, how can people find RAD and find out more information?
You can go to our Instagram, which is @TeamRad.
Okay.
2 A's, RAAD.
Okay.
Or you can go to our Facebook, which is just Team Rad.
Team RAD.
And that's it.
Perfect. Cool.
we'll put the links in the description so you know.
Here you go. Here's the smoke card for the race. Awesome.
Thank you. Check it out.
Here we are at the Rad event. It's about to get started. They're getting excited because there's going to be a surprise start.
Cool.
And we got our bike spoke.
Spoke cards, I think.
Oops, spoke card.
Let me see it. Yeah, there's your logo right on the top. Sweet. That's really cool, actually, huh?
Totally. It is cool.
Why
Super
is it,
cool.
Why is it blue?
All blue, everything for autism.
Nice.
All sitting there trying
Like
to mentally
mapping.
map what to do, where to go, who to get to.
Oh,
Because it's
cool.
all, I mean, so now everybody knows. So the places that I have are Sark over
Okay.
on Van Buren, UCP on Roosevelt.
Okay.
What else do I have? Ability 360, AZA United, but
Yeah,
like
but
yeah,
that whole
that's like the
center.
biggest.
But the
That whole
whole
center is so great.
Which is awesome center.
Yes, fantastic.
Yeah.
And then what else do we have? The library, because now Sark is doing that. So
Yeah.
it's just kind of like,
Yeah,
hey, because it was
added
one of
it.
those things where like I went in and I was like, oh, there's actually a coffee shop
Yeah,
here.
it's cool, huh?
So yeah, so there's like stops like that, and then one of the other stops, the farthest stop, they call it the Pikachu. So it's like if the farthest stop is all the way in Tempe Beach Park.
Okay.
So that's where the autism walk
Yeah.
is. So everything that this race is gonna have is all based off of
Different
autism services and what you can do for kids.
They're about to race to their bikes and start.
Meet you there. I might hit
The
a
race
spot.
is off.
I might hit
They're
a
going.
spot.
They're going to the first place.
Tino's, yeah. Tino's
So we
not
now have to
huge
get to the
truck.
finish line. So luckily we have a little bit of time.
A little bit. Some people
Little.
are super fast.
Some people
this
are super
guy would have
fast.
won if he would have been in it.
Oh,
But I don't know if I would have won, but I would have
You
given
win
Weston
every
for his
time,
money. Cody, you don't even lie.
So everybody else is
He wins
glad
every
we're not
time?
doing
Pretty
it.
him and then another guy, Wes.
What, is
They
it
always
just
win.
injury or what? Is that why?
I got
Oh,
bug bite infection or some kind
Ooh,
of
wow.
infection in my knee.
man.
Dang, that sucks.
That sounds major.
I brought my single speed cross bike so I wasn't tempted. And now that
Oh.
I saw it's going to Tempe, I would have never made it. I could barely pedal from 6th Street and Monroe to here.
Wonder if it's actually
Here's where the Final Four is taking place. Talking Stick Resort Arena.
where the Suns play. I don't know. Is that where the actual game is? It must be, right?
I don't know, actually.
There's the news stations right there. And what's going on with our maps here? Let's see.
I don't know. It keeps kind of going around in circles, I think.
Sorry, this is a pretty tight lens for you here, but it's kind of blurry. There we
Keeps
go.
going around in circles and
Yeah, and what maps are you using again?
Apple Maps.
Exactly.
That's
One
almost
winner or how many?
3.
Oh,
First place
second,
and
third.
second.
Yeah,
But
that's
then everybody
cool.
else gets the.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, there you go.
Here's the first prize.
So these are all donated, right?
All donated things. So this is the first prize pack. Second prize pack's in there. So some sunglasses.
Awesome.
Chrome, State Bicycle, Pit Viper, Roadrunner bags, and then we got this graciously donated from this company called Trash Bags,
Oh wow.
and it has our personal insignia on
so
it.
cool.
And it's
That's
reflective.
awesome. That's so cool.
That's
So we have that, and
That's
then
awesome.
this is first place.
Nice,
So
nice.
We'll see who gets this bag. And this
Yeah.
is like
So
$500.
first place-
So.
That's so cool.
Wow, that's
see.
so awesome.
That's so awesome. All
Hefty
donated.
bag.
Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
It's going back in the car for that reason.
Yeah, yeah.
That's really cool. So this is the finish line? Kind of?
Just basically they have to meet us
Okay.
anywhere. I'm sure they'll be looking for it. That's the fun part about it, is they have to look for it.
Cool.
It's the chaos that I
Oh.
really wish I would have brought some like
Paper clips or something?
paper clips.
That was so silly
I said-
because
I said we
we
should
almost
bring 'em,
were
but-
going to bring some.
Yeah, I
Good
said.
thing I work here.
Oh.
I'll be
be right back.
Oh, awesome. This is your school, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. You really thought this out.
Yeah.
It's been, I've been dreaming about it all week. Like, how am I going to do this? It's going to work. This is how we're going to do it.
That's awesome.
Here at the final destination of the race, we just put together some of the packets and we're gonna wait to see who arrives first.
Finally!
Where'd you
manifest, bro?
Can I give it to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good one.
Okay.
Completed. We're both done. We did the whole thing
No, I
together.
know.
Oh, dude.
How many miles is it, good?
I didn't turn it on.
You are sweating, though.
Hey, bro. So that skid? Did you get that on camera?
Oh, yeah. I finally have a beard now.
Why do I come to these things?
Whoa, 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 we got something going on right here.
Whoa.
Third place, homie, what's up?
Yeah, my picture sucks. Is it? Did you get Cody's stuff? Yeah. Go get it. It's right at the corner, but where that Circle K used to be.
Go get it.
No.
Oh, man.
That's what I was telling you.
Go get it, go get it.
Dude, you're fast. Go get it.
You just manifest.
I told you to just, we'll take third together.
You guys can split there. Go, 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 go.
That's where the Circle K used to be. Where the Circle K used to be.
Yeah, this is all the
30 pack.
people who volunteered to be at the stop points. So all the people who were at stop points are on a group text.
Oh, cool.
And since we were at the final one, we're in on the group text.
Nice.
Yeah.
Elephant your thing or is that their thing? That's my thing.
So communicating with each other about how many people are still out there, how many people did they quit and decide to go off home or who knows where.
Cool.
So trying to keep track of everybody.
Cool.
You can map it with 27 miles.
You got it? Then we definitely didn't. Nobody came. We're shy. No one came? No.
You're good, man.
I think we did the best. We're way ahead.
Yep.
Good job, dude.
Yeah. Can't believe you forgot about this one.
This is the little kid. This is the little guy.
Yeah, he got bandages.
Still in high school.
I was like,
Hey!
Second manifest. Second manifest. Second manifest.
How you doing?
This time we're going to North Phoenix.
Oh, yeah, what happened?
So we're looking and handing out the gear to the first place winner, second place winner, and third place winner. They all get some gear. So the first one got that big bag, and now he's checking out. So the first
I'm way too old for
last,
this.
and a couple shirts.
I'm way too old for this, so here, you get that. That's dope. Oh man, dude, which one? Are they the same ones?
can't believe you're wearing those pin vipers.
Huh? It was a donation, yes.
Thank
so,
you. Thank you for throwing it.
Courtney is the person we're donating all of our money to, and so she's gonna say a few words. And woo, Courtney! Courtney!
It's actually, well, it's for, what we do is, it's called Into the Spectrum, and we're making YouTube videos providing tips to parents and caregivers to people with autism. So if you can't get services or if you want to learn more, and we've had people all over the world actually, reach out and get in touch with us. So, somebody in Africa messaged like, well, we're watching your videos, or in Ireland. So it's kind of cool hearing that it kind of reaches sort of the globe, and that's kind of the point. And so we're making these videos just available, and so it's super awesome, and I'm so thankful for Bran and Rad for thinking of us and really giving us these donations, and then to you guys. And it's been super cool learning about the cycling stuff, because I'm not a cycler, if that's even what you say. But
should be.
I think it's better than
cycler. But anyways, no, it's super cool, and you guys, it was such awesome energy. This was super cool, and I'm so glad I saw it and just even got to experience it. So even just that was, I think, super cool, and learning about it, because you all had awesome energy just throughout the whole thing. So it was super cool. So I got to learn about what you guys did, and then I also was able to get the donations from you guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Right.
So thank you.
Thank you. When's the next one? Also, I'm selling.
April 29th.
25 cents.
Yes. Okay, April 29th is going to be at Tempe Beach Park. I'm going to
It was all crumpled up, you didn't even have it out. Oh, I thought a high five count. I still had time to even pull it out, but I went to go.
Can't even say the word can.
Sorry, I want to say something. I think Courtney was tearing up a little but that was so cute. And
Thanks.
we're so happy. We really are, though. I mean,
Yeah.
I was too. So. Say something now.
No, it's really cool. It was so cool to be a part of this and just really see what they did, and then we were able to get the entry fee. So it was cool. It was a great joining of the two agencies.